This is set to IVO Media Channel. I'm Purinya Watana Parada. I'm an electrical engineer, and you are on the right place if you want to know about the electrical and electronics. Hit the red subscribe and the bell button, and let's begin. Special tool that you need: 32mm socket wrench, bearing puller, pry or big screwdriver, plastic or rubber hammer. Use the first gear and handbrake to prevent a rollback. Also use a set of wheel chocks to prevent unwanted movement. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts. Right front end of the car. And place safety stand in the proper location. Remove the front wheel. Raise the locking tab on the spindle nut. And remove it with a 32mm socket wrench. Drain the transmission oil. It is not necessary to drain the transmission oil when the left drive shaft is removed. Remove the damper fork bolt and damper pinch bolt. Remove the damper fork. Remove the knuckle to lower arm caster nut. Separate the lower arm from the knuckle using a bearing puller by hang puller pawls on lower arm locks. Then pull it out. Separate the lower arm from the knuckle. Pull the knuckle outward and remove the drive shaft outboard joint from the knuckle using a rubber hammer. try the die shaft assembly, insert a screwdriver or a small crowbar between the inboard joint and the intermediate shaft to force the set ring at the drive shaft and pass the groove. Use care when prying out the assembly and pull it straight to avoid damaging the differential oil seal or intermediate shaft dust seal. Pull the inboard joint, do not pull on the die shaft, as the CV joint may come apart, and remove the die shaft and CV joint out of the intermediate shaft at assembly. The drive shaft assembly and my assistance. Lady the min pin. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like and make sure you subscribe to the HS2IVO Media channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified in any of the video. And if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the section below and I will see you on the next video. Thank you.